Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by positioning the poles and confirming measurements so the net will be correct and safe. Measure 9 m between pole centers and set sleeves or stands in line with the court baseline. Once done, secure each pole roughly vertical but leave final tightening for later. Make sure your tools and net hardware are within reach, turnbuckles, straps, antennae, and a tape measure. This prep avoids rework and gives you a straight reference for attaching the net cleanly. You now lift the net onto the poles and align the center mark with the court midpoint so play is balanced. Fasten the top cable to the pole hooks, then engage turnbuckles or ratchet straps to apply even tension. Tighten both sides incrementally to avoid skewing. Make sure the net height matches the required measurement at center. Adjust the cable, not one side alone. Attach antennas to the outer net edges and fix the lower straps or weights. You finish by checking the center height and overall tension so the net plays true. Use a measuring pole or level. Tighten the cable until the center meets the spec and the top is parallel to the court surface. Press the center to evaluate sag. There should be slight give but no flopping. If the poles lean or one side is higher, loosen both turnbuckles and retention evenly and inspect hooks, cables, and straps for wear. Replace any damaged parts before play.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.